Yo, what up, man? It's your boy 2020. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. But Pete, though, have you stumbled upon this video right here? This is a long time in coming. You want to make gaming videos, huh? You want to start your YouTube or whatever, right? You don't need a computer. You don't need a computer. I'm going to actually show you guys footage of my channel and the range of videos in which I done. Matter of fact, let's just get straight into it. All right, now y'all see Firefox. We on my page. Y'all see these videos. Now let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back, my G. Ooh, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let me see if I can find a perfect one. Let me see what a range at. Ooh, this is a perfect range right here, right up in this area right here, right? Now, matter of fact, we can go up a little bit more, right? Dunkin' hot fixed. See what I'm saying? I'm not sure, but either or. Let's just start from here, right? Cell phone. Cell phone. Cell phone. Cell phone. That's 29K. Previous 10K. Per trash 11K. Cell phone. Reaction 551. 551 views. Grown man bid, Beware the back to basket bid to make an NBA 2K21, if I'm not mistaken, right? Cell phone. Cell phone. Cell phone. Keep going. Cell phone, right? Cell phone. Look, that's cell phone. I'm showing you how to do the face scan. 26,000 views. 401 views. All of these are cell phone. Cell phone, 593. Skit, cell phone. I might have went back too far, but cell phone. Cell phone. Cell phone. You get the gist. Cell phone. Tattoo glitch, 6.3. 845, 1.4, 3.2, 278, 231, right? 3.7, 511, 633, 2.9. You get the gist. Now don't get it twisted now. You got videos that's gonna do what it do. 27K a year ago, right? A year ago, 371, another skit. I think that's a skit. No, that's me talking my shit. 23K. You get it. Look, going back to the infamous. Because a lot of people don't like it. Let me see if I can get to it. A lot of people don't look at that. 100K on how to do the post hook shot in 2K20. 100,000 views, bro. You know how I made it? Cell phone. How to change and equip custom shoes. Cell phone. Now, let's get back over to the nitty gritty, bro. And I'm here. I'm back. Now, all I used was my cell phone because that's all I had. I had a laptop in which I paid $1,000 for, bro. And I think something happened with the graphics card or whatever, and I did not let that deter me. I did not let that stop me. I did not stop the grind because my equipment quit out on me. Now, you may be in a predicament in which you can afford the computer. Now, mind you, I'm going to tell you this. Don't jump on the first computer that you see. You understand? Do your research and get the thing that you need. You're going to need for editing. You're going to need for streaming. If you do stream, you're going to need for, especially like the video cards, like the visual aspect of your computer. Like what you're doing is you're playing the video game on the computer. Like you need a gaming PC, whatever. The RAM, you need to do your research. Don't jump at the first one just because you have the money for it. If that other one costs $200 extra, wait till you get the $200 extra and then get what you got to get. Now, they done put me on idle, but let's get into it. To my people out there, and you know I'm motivational. You feel me? I'm blunt. I don't sugarcoat shit, but I'm motivational. Let's get to it. All you need is your cell phone, right? And I hate that I just got kicked out, right? But Pete, I'm on Xbox Series X, right? Last year, I forget the month, right? It may have been early in the year. My laptop clunked out on me. So, am I going to stop grinding? No. On Xbox, I'm not sure about actual PlayStation, Sony, but I'm pretty sure y'all got some type of feature. Y'all probably got a better feature, right? Us Xbox users, we literally have something called OneDrive. You need that. You need OneDrive, you need your cell phone, all right? And then you're going to need an app in order to edit your videos, right? We're about to get straight into that. Now, what you do is, the reason why I said I have Series X, right? I have Series X because on Series X, I can only record up to 1 minute, right? Now, I can change this if I'm not mistaken. I think I can change it if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. Let me go to settings. I think I can change it, right? I can change to 720p, right? I can change to 720p, right? But we want the best quality. So if you do have a Series X and you don't have the equipment, that means you're going to have to grind it out for those minute clips. You get what I'm saying? And understand, just go back to any of those videos in which I just showed you, and you will see that at the 10-minute mark, I cut off. I'll be like, all right, I'm going to get back at y'all on the other side, right? And then I'm like, all right, we back, right? Because I'm recording in 10-minute increments. You get what I'm saying? And then with the Xbox Series X, if you're going to record at 1080p, I'm hoping it's 60 frames per second. But if you're recording at that, the limit is 1 minute. So you're going to have to grind that 10-minute video, or however long the video is going to be. You're going to have to grind it out per 1 minute. You get what I'm saying? Yes, it's a grind, but you'd rather get the video done and feel good with yourself that you got the video out, right? Or I'm going to wait. You going to procrastinate. I'm going to wait. I don't have what I need. You don't need it. Listen, you got a cell phone, don't you? Listen, you got the system, game system, right? You have a OneDrive or whatever Sony uses, right? So, peep this. Now, say I want to record a video. Cell phone, handy dandy cell phone. Go to your video. Go to camera, and you want to capture a video, right? Position your phone, because here, you want your mic. You want to use this as a mic, and you want it to be on video, right? So, all you got to do is place your phone where you want your audio to pick up from, right? And now, being that I just changed my settings, right? My settings should be up to 3 minutes, right? I can record for 3 minutes. So now you want to start recording, and you want to record on your phone as well. The video from your phone, you just going to use the audio. You just want the audio. Doesn't matter what's on the video. You're going to simultaneously press start recording, and you're going to record on your phone just like this. Yo, what up, man? It's your boy 2020. Y'all see the shoe creator, y'all. I'm about to show you guys how to make some customs, some custom fours. You feel me? Let's go to the fours. Let's go to the base. Go to team colors, baby. Red, you know we love the Bulls. You know. Let's change the outsole. We ain't gonna do too much. You feel me? We ain't gonna do too much. Change the midsole. You feel me? Maybe make those white too. Right? Bam. We got the Air Jordans. Right? We're gonna save that. Save it. Remember your save file name. Right? What was these? Jordan 4s? I don't fucking know. But either or, you get me? We gonna save it Jordan. Matter of fact, we're not even gonna save it Jordan. We're gonna save it VRD for video, right? Save it, boom. Those were 4s, right? Jordan 4s. Once you're done, I'm talking to you now. Once you're done recording, you should be keeping a timer on your cell phone, right? My cell phone says 56 seconds. That's how long we've been recording, and you guys should be able to hear me through the video. And I just put my finger over, with my hand over it. But either or, it's been 1 minute. I can look right here, and I can see that it's been 1 minute and 7 seconds. It's been 1 minute and 8 seconds, minute and 9, minute and 10, minute and 11, minute and 12. You see, we simultaneously, right? And you'll get better at it. Now, what we want to do, we want to stop. Oh, shit. What the hell did I just do? Oh, my God. It just stopped the recording, right? It just stopped the recording. You can stop on your video, too. But you just stopped your recording. Now, if you got it up to, like, on the Xbox One, you can record up to 10 minutes. Just be cognizant and aware that, yo, 10 minutes, that's my cap. So don't go over that 10 minutes. Just keeping your eye on your phone, right? So after those 10 minutes is done, after you recorded what you got, on your cell phone, you got the audio. Just look at it as that. I got the video, but it's audio. Now you want to go to your captures on your Xbox or your PlayStation, whatever you got. You want to go there. On Xbox, we have OneDrive. So I'm going to go to see all sharing options, and I'm going to upload that sumbitch to my OneDrive, right? That's all to it. The video's done. It's done. Now we got to put edits on it, of course, if you want, you got to stand out, right? You got to put maybe your logo in there. You got to do something, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this app, right? I'm going to close this app, and I'm going to go to recent captures, right? And I'm going to go all the way down here, because this is the only way I know how to get there, right? And I'm going to go to upload queue. And as you see, this is uploading to the OneDrive, right? I'm at 4%. While this is uploading, right? Understand, we're going to need an app to edit our video. Now, I think by default, iPhones got like some type of movie app or some shit like that. I don't use that. I used it before, like with my that reaction that I showed you of the Lil Wayne song. I used it before. It comes in handy. Like, you can get picture in picture. That means like reacting. You can get picture in picture. But either way, I'm going to tell you the best app in which you want to use to make your videos. Gaming videos, whatever video. You feel me? TikTok videos, Instagram videos. I'm going to tell you the exact app. I want to wait till this finished so we can get up off of this, right? And hopefully I'm gonna see if I can put myself in green screen on, on the cell phone so I can show you guys the actual, me going to the OneDrive. But bear with me, man. Drop a like if you fucking with it. You feel me? Y'all know how we get up. Upload complete. So now my upload is on OneDrive. Now, I'm gonna see if I can get a green screen, but if not, y'all just won't see me, but y'all heard my voice, all right? All right, you guys, we are back. Now, as you see, I'm screen recording, right? Now, I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna find OneDrive. OneDrive, boom. Found my OneDrive. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna go to videos. I'm gonna go to my videos, Xbox DVR. There's the video that I want right there. I'm gonna save that video. I'm gonna download that video, whatever. Save that video, right? So now that I saved that video, we want that video to save, all right? Once it's saved, we're gonna get, okay, boom. Now we saved, right? Now you wanna go to the App Store, right? App Store, however you get your apps, and you wanna type in this right here. Just look at what I'm typing. You wanna type in INSHOT. Search that some bitch. See, I got it so I can open it, but you're gonna download it. It's free of charge, bro. It's free of charge. Now, once you got it, you wanna open up that, right? You wanna open up, well, we got something new right here. We got something new. Chroma key. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, they didn't see. That's what I'm telling you. This is the best video editing app for cell phone users, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Next. Okay. Right? Video. We want to, you want to choose your video, right? Choose your video. Okay. Now, boom. There's your video. There's your gameplay, right? There's your gameplay as you see me scrolling through. Now you get into the edits, but first we got to add our audio. Let's add our audio in which we just used. Now all you got to do is, you see music, see the icon music, we want to select that, and we want to go to tracks, and now we want to go to extract audio from video, bam, and we want to go to that video in which we use that we recorded, but we only going to use the audio, right? That 1 minute and 26 second right there, bam, right? And we want to hit the check mark. That's what we want. Now, I don't know if you guys can hear this on the screen recording, but I'm going to put it towards the mic so you guys can hear it as well.
Yo, what up, man? It's your boy, 2020. Y'all see the shoe creator, y'all. I'm about to show you guys how to make it.
Right? So y'all see my audio is there. Now, remember, I stopped the recording early, right? I stopped it early, right? I made a mistake, right? So look.
You get better at it. Now, what we want to do, we want to stop. Oh, shit. What the?
See? So now, what I want to do to edit to cut this audio out, and just in case your audio is not synced up, you want to select the audio, you want to hit split, and then you want to delete that right there. And if your audio is not synced up, you just want to split whatever is not needed, and you want to just adjust your audio, right? You can drag your audio, like literally. Like I probably can't do it now because I got it exactly at this clip, but you can literally drag it. Well, I can drag it, right? You can drag it until you want it. Of course, it's going to take some time, some practice, and some precision, but you'll get it if you record your audio and your gameplay at the same time in which I just done, all right? And that's it. That's all to it, baby. Now, say I want to add my logo. I'm going to select sticker. I'm going to go here. I'm going to choose from camera roll. I'm going to get my logo. I could have used my Lotto Head logo. And then you're just going to place your logo wherever, right? You can make it smaller. You can make it huger or bigger, right? I'm going to select that. I'm going to place it somewhere. And I'm not sure, I'm not sure if the free version allows you to actually lower the opacity, but you do have some type of edit features on your sticker, all right? But I pay for this, right? As I was saying, I have the paid version. The free version, you're good, but let's just say for the sticker, let's just say for sake, you can go to edit for your sticker, right? Select your sticker, and you want to go to edit. And if you look at that little, it look like a, it's opacity, basically, if you know what that means, right? Select that, and you can make your logo see-through, or you can delete it altogether, but you can make it see-through, right? Which I like to do that with my logos, right? Select yes, well, select the check mark, and you can reposition it, right? So you want it somewhere where everyone would see it, but you don't want it to fuck up your content. You get me? You don't want it to be, which I can put it back over here. Let's just put it back over here, bro. Like that button, whatever. What they say, press B to go back or some shit. Either or. Next up, you see these arrows? I want to hit that, and I always select video in, right? And then here I do video beginning just because I want it to start right there at the beginning, right? But as you see, my logo is there throughout this entire clip, right? And that's the only editing in which I'm going to show you guys. But say you want to add a beat into the background. All you got to do is screen record a beat off of YouTube, right? I need to start uploading my beats so you guys can use them. But you can just screen record the beat, and then you do the same thing how we got the audio from the video. You can go to music, and you can go to insert, tracks, and then you can insert the audio from a video, and then that's how you put the music in the background. And the thing about that is, we can go back right here, right? You can select the audio, and you can go to volume, and you can turn that volume down. You can turn that volume down. Now, I will say the sweet spot for, volume in the background, like especially if it's copywritten or got a copyright, put it at 3 on this app. Put it at 3. It won't be detected. You'll be good, all right? Because your voice is gonna go over it. But in those silent moments, you can hear that beat in the background. You get what I'm saying? And that's all to it. You feel me? And after that, now you want to save it. You can do your resolution. I'm not sure as far as the free version is concerned, if they allow you to use 4K like frame rate. I can use 60 frames per second. Resolution, I can go up to 4K. You can do 1080p, but I'm just going to save it at 720. As you see, it's saving now. Now, I will say this. InShot app, I have to say, by far is the best app for video editing on a cell phone, bro. It's the best. This is how I got. It wasn't a year in which I used my cell phone, bro, but I use my cell phone. I've done my lottery videos with it, right? With my online business. I've done my YouTube videos, even on my Dedrick channel and on my twin channel. Like, bro, there's nothing you can't do. You just gotta apply yourself, Smokey. You feel me? I don't think you applying yourself. You feel me? But the paid version, peep this. It used to be $7.99 per year. I don't think you heard me. Per year. That $8 that you was about to spend on, well, I don't know, some weed. I don't know. I don't know how much weed costs nowadays. But the $8 that you was gonna spend on some VC, motherfucker, you can use that $8 to get the video out. Well, used to. Now this year they upgraded it to where they increased it to $14.99. $15 per year. All right. And that ain't the whole part. You can actually purchase the entire app, like all the new things will hopefully, that's why I haven't done it, but $34.99 if I'm not mistaken, right? And that's your app for good. You never have to pay anything again. So that's $35 that you can pay, and you will forever have the app. The only reason why I don't do that, you guys, is because I don't want to miss out on the new things. As you just see me open up the app, and they said chroma key. They got chroma key available now, which is dope. That's big. That is epic. Do you hear me? That is epic. InShot is the GOAT. InShot is definitely the GOAT of the video app, the video editing programs on cell phone. But as you see, this is done. You see the video is done, and boom, I can go to, let me close out of that. I'm gonna go to my photos, I'm gonna go to my videos. Here's the video right here, and we just simply upload this video to YouTube. Not sure if you can hear this, but listen.
You guys had to make some customs.
Scroll on through.
What was these Jordan 4s? I don't fucking know. But either or, you get me? We're gonna save it Jordan. Matter of fact, we're not even gonna save it Jordan.
Right? So that's all I need to show you guys as far as that. You see it now, you just want to upload to YouTube. And now you need to do, let me go ahead and close out of this, right? Close out of the screen recording. Now all you have to do, my G, get your tags, get you a decent thumbnail, which I can show you guys how to make a thumbnail as well. But I told you guys a while ago that I was going to show you guys how to upload gaming content, how to do YouTube videos from your cell phone, bro. You do not need equipment until you can get the equipment, until you save up enough dough, because that's where I was at. Like, I lost my laptop, even though I still have the laptop, but it's something wrong with, I think it's something wrong with the graphics card, if I'm not mistaken, and that's a graphics card. I stayed down until I came up, bro. Until I came up, literally. I had the money in my hands probably 3-4 times for me to get my PC. But it wasn't time for it. You feel me? I have other responsibilities. I'm a grown ass man. I don't know what type of responsibilities you have. If you're a grown ass man, you got other responsibilities that come before yourself. You get me? Selflessness. But either or, man, if you guys watch this video, if you love this video, you enjoyed it, and you're going to put this video to work, this information in which I gave you guys, drop a like, share it with your friends, man. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about it, man. Hopefully it comes out exactly how I want it to come out, all right? It's been a minute since y'all heard my voice, since y'all seen me, man, but I'm back, man. I'm about to probably do some reaction or something like that, man. Get y'all in the groove, man. Maybe get y'all panties in a bunch, because y'all... Oh boy. But till next time, man, it's been your boy Twin. Look, you guys, be yourself or be everybody else. And I'm out. Peace.
But she keep coming in last place. Monkey suit Dennis, you parade him. A Steve Harvey suit, nigga made him. Confused, always felt you weren't black enough. Afraid to grow it cause your fro wouldn't nap enough. Since you name dropped my fiance, let him know who you chose as your Beyonce. Sophie knows better as your baby mother. Cleaned up.